Hi, I'm Brock from Garmin's Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you what's in the box of our new Garmin inReach Mini. So you'll notice here, the box has a couple different pieces of information on what the device does. And let's jump into it. So if we open up the box, the first thing you'll see here is the actual device itself. And then we will also get the Allen key with a screw. You will get a carabiner in the spine mount and a charging cable. Alright, so you should notice that the inReach Mini will already have the carabiner clip attached to the back. Let's take some of these things out of the bag and see what we got here. So the first bag is going to have your carabiner and your spine mount. The spine mount is going to be great for attaching the Garmin to many other Garmin accessories. In the next bag, what we'll have is we will have the Allen key and a longer screw. This screw is going to be used when you attach the spine mount to the device itself. We actually made it possible so you can attach the spine mount and the carabiner at the same time. I'll show you how to do that real quick. So we'll start by removing the carabiner mount here. So you don't actually want to remove it from the device, you just want to remove the screw. And then you want to take your spine mount. I would start at the bottom, and you can slide it over the device and over your carabiner mount there. Make sure you still see that screw hole through the actual mount. And then take your longer screw, insert it in here, start with your fingers to tighten it, and then use the Allen key to tighten it down. And there you go. Once it's tight, you can take your carabiner, attach it through the carabiner option there, and that's it. That's how you attach your spine mount and carabiner, and that's what's in the box with your Garmin inReach Mini. If you needed more help or further assistance, please go to support.garmin.com and you have yourself a wonderful day.